So back at it again, Tuesday, October the 24th, and we are going to start off with NASDAQ. I go in on this entry. Now, what is interesting is that this isn't my usual entry. So again, kind of testing a few things here, but this entry was looking okay, and at some point it was no longer feasible. It wasn't something that I wanted to keep doing, and so I decided that I was going to essentially bow out of the trade. So take a look. And on this next trade, which is also on NASDAQ, this is one of my entries. So this is an original entry that I had, and an entry that that is good, that is according to my game plan, and it was executed properly, but unfortunately this one didn't work out. Okay, it's just like any other strategy. No strategy is 100%. This was no different, and it ended up not working out. So take a look. And so this is my third trade, and this is a new, slightly tweaked strategy. So nothing entirely new, but something tweaked right in between my strategy that I've started using. And so I decided to go in on it and for a long, and it did work out. I also went for more than 10 points. I believe I went for 20 points, and it did work out here. So enjoy. So I generally don't like to go in on the gold commodity unless it has specific parameters. And these parameters were okay parameters, so I went in. The other reason is that it's so slow, but nevertheless I did it. I went in, and it was just there for a very long time, and I think I eventually lost on it, but it was on there, and I just left it on there while I kind of focused on other commodities, mostly the Dow and the Nasdaq, because gold just takes forever sometimes. But just wanted to point that out. You're going to see it throughout the videos. And so this was yet another strategy tweak, again just an incremental tweak of my already made strategy. This again was on NASDAQ on the right side, and I went in for a short at the very top of that Renko, and it was a good one. I believe I also went for more than 10 points as well, and you are going to be able to see it, and I hope you enjoy it. So all in all, today was another profit day. As you can see, gold is still playing out. Like I said, I think I lost on that one, but just a little bit. But this was a great day. This was another great profit day. However, I want to point out that I did some tweaks. So tweaks are necessary in the career of trading and the work of trading, because you want to be able to have many different dynamic ways of entry points and of making money from the market. You can't live on just one strategy. Because even with one strategy, you still have to have multiple dynamic ways of using it in order to make money from the market. So this is essentially what I'm doing. I have one big strategy system, and then within that I have different sort of pockets of how I use the strategy and manipulate the strategy to make them work in different market conditions. So this is very, very key, and this is what I've done, and I'm just continuing to tweak. One thing I've come to understand is overall we are like market scientists. That's basically what we are. We're like market scientists, and as market scientists what we're doing is that we're trying to discover the market, we're trying to form hypotheses of different things, we run tests, and then we form our conclusions based on that, and we're able to then build something around it that can work and that can stand the test of time. So we are market scientists that are trying to figure out the best way to actually generate something good, some revenue from the market.